How to make better speed ramps. Today's video is sponsored obviously by Johnny Depp. Right-click in your clip, and select the retime curve. Open the retime menu from the upper left corner. Uncheck the retime frame, and check the retime speed box. Choose the point where you want to start the speed ramp, and add a keyframe. Go to the part where you want to end it, and add another keyframe. By default, the limit of the speed is set to 300%, but you can increase it as you want. Grab the part between your two keyframes, and bring it up to increase the speed. Select the keyframes and change the mode to curve, to smooth out the animation of the speed ramp. Once you are satisfied with it, bring a short adjustment clip, and trim it down to the duration of the speed ramp. Go to the Open Effects, and add a directional blur to the adjustment clip. Go to the Effects tab. Make sure that you are in the beginning of the adjustment clip, and set the blur angle to 0. Decrease the blur strength all the way down to 0, and activate the keyframe of it. Go to the middle of the adjustment clip, increase the strength to 1.2, go to the end, and bring the strength back to 0. Add a glow effect to the adjustment clip. Open the glow menu, bring down the shine threshold to 0, and the spread slider to minimum. Increase the horizontal and vertical ratio all the way up. Increase the relative spread red slider to your liking. Activate the keyframe button for the gain slider. Make sure that you are in the beginning of the adjustment clip, and bring it down to 0, go to the middle of the clip, bring it up to your liking, and set it back to 0 at the end of the clip. For all my music and sound effects, I'm using audio.com. Use the code PRO70 to get 70% discount. Link is in the description. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, Amber is waiting for you.